You may have heard that it's really important to use live video as opposed to recorded video to grow your Facebook audience, but you may have wondered why that is. Well, I'm going to give you 3 really strong reasons to use live video to grow your audience and to increase your reach on Facebook. And reason number 1 is actually much more authentic. People really enjoy our live Ashdown Jones videos because we are live, we do trip over our words, we do get things wrong, we do talk over each other, and that's fine because that's the true us coming out. And people are much more compelled to watch it because it's live, and they're much more able to forgive your little mistakes, and that builds up a lot of trust and loyalty in your audience. Reason number 2 is you actually get an extended reach, and if you don't know what reach is on Facebook, this is how many people Facebook show your post to, and the average reach is actually 10% or less. We work really hard at our reach to get it up to about 25 to 50%, and our live videos can reach sometimes even more than that. So if your reach is declining, that means the number of people who are seeing your posts is declining. Facebook live video could be your answer, because Facebook loves live video and therefore it'll show your video to more people. And number 3 is it's much more engaging. I think people are compelled to watch a live video. When that little notification comes up and says, you know, this person is live, you're much more likely to click on it than you would do if it was already in your newsfeed. Now, the reach goes with it being authentic and engaging, and it's why Facebook love it in the first place. I did a little experiment down at the lake one morning where I took literally a 10-second video live, and I did another 10-second video a week later where it wasn't live. Now the difference between the two was about 140 in the non-live reached by the video and about 280 in the live video reached. Now you might think, well, 140, that's nothing to get excited about, and I would agree with you. But what you need to think about is it's a double reach. So if you can get 1,000 people with a recorded video, you could potentially get 2,000 people reached with your live video. And I did this recently where I went live from a flooded car park in Ambleside, and we've had something like 4,000 views and about 30,000 reach. So that could be you if you use live video. Now in the next video I'm going to be talking to you about how to do live video, which I'm sure is your next question. And if you're not following me in one of these 4 places, please do. Facebook and YouTube is @MarketingMagic, LinkedIn is Sam Ashdown, and of course my website is samashdown.co.uk, where I explore these subjects in much more depth on my blog. So I'll see you there. Bye for now.